Welcome to LC Insider, your weekly insight into the world of printed electronics, flexible interfaces, and smart design, powered by LC Electronic, the world of printed electronics in one place. Are you investing in development? See which new materials in electronics really make sense. Imagine the CEO of a tech company reading a quarterly report. He sees that more clients are asking for ESG-compliant components. His purchasing department suggests something new: carbon-based conductive inks and biodegradable films instead of standard FR4 laminate. The decision is not easy. There is market pressure on one side and cost and technology risks on the other. This is a real challenge for many leaders in the electronics industry. New materials. What is useful for future electronics? In recent years, many new materials have appeared in printed electronics. Companies like Heraeus and Elantas are developing silver conductive inks, copper and carbon-based inks, and flexible materials made from PET, PEN, and biopolymers. These materials have different properties, such as conductivity, durability, and compatibility with production processes. For top managers, it's essential to know what is new and what is ready to use. Before a material is used in mass production, it must pass strict tests for environment, durability, and industry standards. Not all new materials are ready for industrial use. List of materials already used today: silver and copper conductive inks, Henkel, Heraeus; carbon inks for low-power flexible systems; biodegradable and recyclable films, e.g. PLA, PET composites; conductive polymers with low processing temperature; materials that meet RoHS and REACH, standards for medical and automotive uses; new materials, TCO and ESG. Modern materials may seem more expensive at first, but the total cost of ownership, TCO, can be lower. Lower processing temperatures reduce energy use, and lighter materials cut transport costs. Customers also want products that meet environmental standards, so using these materials can be a competitive advantage. Printed electronics help with ESG goals by reducing CO2 emissions during production, producing less waste, making recycling easier, meeting strict EU regulations. When are these materials a good idea, and when not? Not every use case needs new eco-friendly components. Sometimes traditional materials are better because of cost, availability, or supply chain stability. High-temperature power systems still use ceramics and thick fill metal layers, but sensors, touch interfaces, and low-power systems are perfect for printed electronics. Examples of good applications for new materials: smart packaging with NFC labels, HMI interfaces in home appliances and cars; single-use electronics, e.g. diagnostic tests; clothes and workwear with environmental sensors. New opportunities to talk: OEA and industry events. A great place to talk about innovative materials is the OEA, Organic and Printed Electronics Association. Experts, manufacturers, and system integrators meet there to share knowledge and solve challenges in printed electronics. LC Electronic will host the next event on September 30th, 2025. It's a great chance to meet engineers, see live demos, and exchange ideas. Book your spot or ask for an invite. pavel.chabak@lcel.com.pl. Case study: from biodegradable tests to mass production. One of our clients from the medical device industry started a project to create single-use diagnostic tests using carbon-based ink and compostable PLA film. First, we did lab tests to meet ISO 10993 standards. Then, we improved the drying and packaging process. The final product, now used in German hospitals, has 23% lower carbon footprint than the old version with traditional laminate. Summary: new materials are not just a trendy topic for R&D departments. They offer real chances to cut costs, increase durability, and meet regulations. But they need careful testing and good technical partners. With the right support, using new materials can be a smart strategic move. Let's go back to our CEO. Now, with his engineers and a trusted tech partner, He can make decisions that are both ESG friendly and smart in terms of long-term cost and value. CTA. Compare new materials based on ESG goals. Discuss TCO of technologies with the finance team. See how other companies use printed electronics. Henkel case studies. Use LC's comparison analysis. Talk with a tech advisor about investment risks in new materials. Welcome to LC Insider, your weekly insight into the world of printed electronics, flexible interfaces, and smart design, powered by LC Electronic, the world of printed electronics in one place. This episode of LC Insider was powered by LC Electronic, where printed electronics meet precision engineering. Visit lcelectronic.com to explore materials, cases, and technologies we talked about today.